Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Messenger. Open the app or Messenger. Calm and sign in if needed. Tap the search bar at the top to reveal recent queries and suggestions. Once the list appears, scan for the specific entries you want to remove. You'll clear individual items or full history from here. Make sure your device is connected so changes sync. Now locate the first search entry you'll delete and get ready to remove it quickly and cleanly. Once an entry is visible, long press on mobile or hover and click the three-dot menu on desktop to reveal remove options. Select remove or delete and confirm when prompted. This eliminates that specific search from your local and account history. Continue through the list, removing each unwanted query. Doing newest items first makes it easier to track progress. Remember that some suggestions may repopulate until you clear cached apps. To fully clear everything, open Messenger settings and look for search or activity and choose Clear Search History. This wipes server-side records for that account. If suggestions still appear, clear the app cache Android or reinstall the app to remove cached data. If problems persist, sign out of Messenger, restart your device, and sign back in to force a fresh sync. One troubleshooting tip: if entries reappear, check connected Facebook search settings and repeat the clear after restarting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.